Following an extensive 2.5-year restoration and refit, the majestic gaff-rigged drifter, our Lizzie, is carefully rolled out of her shed ready for launch. Built 1920 at Porthleven, Cornwall, our Lizzie is thought to be one of only 3 such vessels left in existence. The incredible work carried out on this 46-foot vessel has been executed by the commercial team at the International Boatbuilding Training College in Lowestoft, the UK's original and premier boatbuilding college. Students have been encouraged to take part and learn from this rare project, ensuring we understand and continue teaching traditional building techniques for future generations. We hope you enjoy our fast frame launch. If you would like further information on projects or courses, visit our website on ibtc.co.uk.